everyone. Here we are given a question which says that an ice box almost completely filled with ice at 0 degrees Celsius is dipped into the large volume of water at 20 degrees Celsius. The box has walls of surface area 2400 centimeter square, thickness 2 millimeter and thermal conductivity 0.06 watt per meter per degree Celsius. Calculate the rate at which the ice melts in the box. Latent heat of fusion of ice is equal to 3.4 multiplied by 10 to the power 5 joule per kg. First, let us see what's given in this question. We have temperature T1 is equal to 0 degrees Celsius. Then we have temperature T2 is equal to 20 degrees Celsius. We're given the surface area. We have surface area A is equal to 2400 centimeter square. If we convert this to SI unit, we'll get area A is equal to 2400 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. We're given the thickness. Let us consider the thickness to be equal to L, and it is given as 2 millimeter. We convert this to SI unit as well, so L will be equal to 2 times 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Next, we have the thermal conductivity. We take the thermal conductivity A equal to 0.06 watt per meter per degree Celsius. Thermal conductivity is basically the ability of a material to conduct heat. And finally, we are given the latent heat of fusion. Let us consider the latent heat of fusion to be equal to L, and its value is equal to 3.4 multiplied by 10 to the power 5 joule per kg. The latent heat of fusion is the change in enthalpy of any amount of a substance when it melts. So these are the given parameters. Now we see change in temperature. Let the change in temperature be delta T, and it is given as T2 minus T1. So the change in temperature delta T will be equal to 20 minus 0, because T2 was 20 degrees Celsius and T1 was 0 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the change in temperature delta T will be equal to 20 degrees Celsius. Now the rate of heat transfer. Heat transfer is possible because there is a difference in temperature, and whenever there is difference in temperature, heat flows from the higher temperature to lower temperature. The rate of heat transfer is given as delta Q divided by delta T, where Q is the heat transfer and T is time. So we have heat transfer upon time, which is the rate of heat transfer, and this is equal to change in temperature multiplied by thermal conductivity multiplied by area divided by L. We have mass M multiplied by the latent heat divided by time is equal to delta T Ka divided by L. So M divided by T will be equal to delta T Ka divided by small l into L, where small l is the thickness and capital is the latent heat. M by T will give us the rate at which the ice melts, and we need to find out the ratio of M by T. Here we have M divided by T is equal to, we put the respective values. Change in temperature is 20 multiplied by 0.06, which is the thermal conductivity, multiplied by the area, which is 2400 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 4 whole divided by the thickness is 2 times 10 to the power minus 3, and the latent heat of fusion is 3.4 multiplied by 10 to the power 5. Now M divided by T comes out to be 144 divided by 3.4 multiplied by 10 to the power 5. This comes out in kg per second. If we convert this, we will have M divided by T equal to 144 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60 divided by 3.4 multiplied by 10 to the power 5. The unit now becomes kg per hour. So m by t will be equal to 1.52 kg per hour. Therefore, the rate at which the ice melts in the box is 1.52 kg per hour. Thank you.